Hello everyone. Welcome back to Doodle Dollars. This is Courtney, and today we're doing Tiny Tuesday. I have 25 ones here and one buyback 5. When I tried to do a buyback 5 for my mini Monday, it did not work out. So we're gonna try with these and maybe we'll get lucky. So we're gonna roll. Each one is getting one bill. So we're starting with number 4. And this is all money that I made doing extra income this week, tutoring, door dashing. So yes, this is exciting to have a little extra income. I hope y'all are having a great Tuesday. I'm sorry, I feel like I'm not very talkative right now. It is late and I have not been feeling great today. Three, 6. I'm doing no spend January, and I really wanted to buy like a dice tower yesterday. It was like a teapot and it was so cute. And I was thinking, how cute would that be to just put my dice in there in the spout and it comes out so cute. But I didn't buy it. It was like $35 on Etsy, so maybe I will save up for it. Oh, totally forgot about my buyback 5. Let's see if any of these got 5. This one did. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Awesome. Okay, so let's keep going. 4, 5, 6, 6, and 5. Okay, now we can put them away and see what we got. Okay, so with Tiny Tuesday, I use these funds for my sinking funds. So this one is going for car maintenance, and we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so we'll fill in these. Oh my goodness, excuse me. We'll fill in these hearts and finish this one out. Okay. So should have 9, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And with these, I am just gonna write when I finish them. So what is today, the 11th? And I'm gonna put these in my car maintenance envelope right away because I feel like I will need it before the end of the month. Now, where did my other tiny challenges go? I had some already right here. I need different tiny challenges, but I'm gonna use this one by Canadian Finance Journey. Excellent savings. I hate just like always using my own, but I feel like I just don't see a lot of like tinies as far as what I'm looking for in tinies. But if y'all have any in your shop, let me know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so that I can download them, print them out, use them for these, and give you a shout out. All right, so that's that one. Next, we have this boba tea one by Our Simplistic Life. And this one, it looks like we're going to be finishing as well. So this is going towards our glow up fund, so makeup, etc., which I might end up pulling this, honestly, for my haircut coming up, because I don't really know how expensive it'll be. And I have not managed to save as much money as I think I need. So this is another one by Canadian Finance Journey. So we'll swap that one out. All right, next we have Budgeting with Jenny. We've been working on this one for a while. 1, 2, 3. This is going to be going towards entertainment. And we have 21, 2, 3, 4, 5. $25 so far, so that's great. Another one by Budgeting with Jenny. We can finish this one, y'all. We have $1 here. That's all we needed to finish that one. And so let's see how much we have total. 10, 15, 21. And this is going towards household. So cleaning products, not like decor and stuff like that, but toilet paper, paper towels, boring stuff like that. Let me actually see if there's any in my minis folder that I can use for tinies. Yeah. Okay, I think I'll use this one by my girl Vicky Thinks. I was going to use this for my mini Mondays, but let's use it for this. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can cross out 2 of these. I'm just going to fill in the little hearts. Okay, perfect. Wait a second. Guys, I missed so many dollars. Hold on. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we can actually color one more heart, and then we have $1 remaining. So I'm just gonna fold it over like this. My bad. Okay, then we have another Valentine's Pup one, which just needs $3 to be finished. Where did my red marker go? There it is. So we need 1, 2, 3, and that will save us 9. So this little Valentine's Pup, that's in my Ko-fi, it's a freebie. And this is going towards car maintenance. Wonderful. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I must not have counted correctly. Okay, so car maintenance, I'm just gonna write the date that I finished this. Okay, we're finishing a lot of challenges today, guys. So let me pull a new one for these extra $2. Okay, let's do this one by Bookish Mama Budgets. This was a freebie in her Ko-fi, so let's grab this blue right here, and we get to fill in 2 of these circles. Okay. Finally, last but not least, we have this other boba tea challenge by Our Simplistic Life. This one needed 3 to be finished, so perfect. We got 3. And we finished this on 1/11, and this is going towards my birthday. which is exciting. I usually don't ever save up anything for my birthday. So that'll be fun. And this should have 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. Okay, so let's see what new one we can grab to replace that. I think we'll do another Valentine's pup, guys. And I'll just stick that in here so that I remember. All right, and that is it for this video, y'all. We finished 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 challenges. So that's like all of them except for one, right? Yeah. Crazy, crazy, but so exciting. So thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you have a good rest of your day and a good rest of your week, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.